Welcome back to my channel, The Vehicle Era. Today, this video is going to be about the 2028 Lexus RC Successor, the long-awaited replacement for the Lexus RC Sports Coupe. Lexus has officially confirmed that production of the original RC and RCF ended after the 2025 model year, but the company has not officially unveiled a direct successor. However, prototype development, Toyota's GR GT3 program, and multiple credible industry reports strongly suggest that a new Lexus performance coupe is under development. So, let's take a look at what Lexus has confirmed, what has been seen during testing, and what is still expected. Interior: inside, the 2028 Lexus RC Successor is expected to deliver a modern luxury sports coupe experience while maintaining Lexus's reputation for outstanding craftsmanship. The cabin is expected to feature a driver-focused cockpit with a low seating position, supportive sports seats, premium leather upholstery, Alcantara accents, carbon fiber trim, and brushed aluminum details. A fully digital instrument cluster is expected to provide customizable performance information, while a large central touchscreen should run Lexus's latest infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, cloud navigation, voice recognition, over-the-air software updates, and connected services. Wireless charging, multiple USB-C ports, customizable ambient lighting, dual-zone climate control, and an available Mark Levinson premium audio system are also expected. The interior is likely to offer improved ergonomics, higher quality materials, and more advanced technology than the outgoing RC, while preserving a true grand touring atmosphere. However, Lexus has not officially revealed the production interior of the 2028 RC Successor, so the final cabin layout, materials, and equipment remain unconfirmed. Engine and performance. The 2028 Lexus RC Successor is expected to deliver significantly higher performance than the outgoing RC lineup. Industry reports indicate that the new coupe may share engineering with Toyota's GR GT3 development program and could adopt a newly developed twin-turbocharged V8 engine, potentially paired with hybrid technology for improved performance and efficiency. Power output is widely expected to exceed 600 horsepower in higher performance variants, although Lexus has not officially confirmed any specifications. Rear-wheel drive is expected to remain the primary configuration, while selected models could also receive an advanced all-wheel drive system. Lightweight construction using aluminum and carbon fiber is expected to improve chassis rigidity while reducing overall weight. Adaptive suspension, electronic limited slip differential, high-performance braking systems, and multiple selectable driving modes should provide exceptional handling for both road and track driving. However, Lexus has not officially confirmed the production engine, transmission, horsepower, torque, acceleration, or drivetrain specifications for the RC Successor. Exterior. The exterior of the 2028 Lexus RC Successor is expected to introduce a far more aggressive design than the outgoing RC. Development prototypes and industry reports suggest inspiration from Toyota's GR GT3 concept, featuring a long hood, low roofline, muscular rear haunches, wide fenders, and dramatic aerodynamic styling. The front is expected to feature slimmer LED headlights, large cooling openings, functional air intakes, and a modern interpretation of Lexus's spindle-inspired design language. The side profile should include large alloy wheels, wide performance tires, sculpted body panels, flush door handles, and functional side air vents. At the rear, slim LED taillights, a large diffuser, active aerodynamic components, and an integrated rear spoiler are expected to improve both appearance and high-speed stability. Although several development vehicles have been seen testing, Lexus has not officially revealed the final production exterior design. Technology and features. The 2028 Lexus RC Successor is expected to combine advanced luxury technology with modern performance engineering. Expected features include the latest Lexus Safety System Plus with adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, parking assistance, and a surround view camera. Drivers are also expected to receive customizable digital displays, multiple performance drive modes, launch control on higher performance models, advanced telemetry, smartphone integration, premium navigation, connected services, and over-the-air software updates. Lexus may also introduce digital key functionality, enhanced voice assistant features, and improved driver personalization systems. However, the complete list of production technology features has not yet been officially confirmed by Lexus. Lexus has not officially announced the price of the 2028 Lexus RC Successor. Because it is expected to become a significantly more advanced performance coupe than the previous RC, pricing will likely increase accordingly. Industry estimates suggest a starting price somewhere in the premium luxury sports coupe segment, with higher performance variants expected to cost considerably more. However, all current pricing information should be treated as estimates until Lexus officially announces the vehicle. Leaks and rumors. Following the discontinuation of the RC and RCF, speculation surrounding a replacement has continued to grow. Multiple credible reports suggest that Toyota's GR GT3 project forms the foundation for a future Lexus performance coupe. Many automotive publications also expect the new model to introduce a hybrid-assisted, twin-turbocharged V8 while incorporating motorsport technology developed by Toyota Gazoo Racing. Some reports even suggest the new coupe could eventually replace both the RC and serve as a more premium grand touring model within the Lexus lineup. However, Lexus has not officially confirmed these reports, so they should be viewed as industry expectations rather than production specifications. Release date. Lexus has not officially confirmed a release date for the 2028 RC Successor. The company has confirmed that RC and RCF production ended after the 2025 model year, leaving room for a future replacement. Industry analysts expect Lexus to introduce its next-generation performance coupe after the arrival of its upcoming flagship sports car, but no official production timeline has been announced. Official confirmation. As of August 2026, Lexus has officially confirmed that production of the RC and RCF has ended. However, the company has not officially announced a direct 2028 RC Successor or revealed its final design, interior, engine, technology, pricing, or production schedule. Therefore, most information currently available is based on credible prototype development, Toyota's GR GT3 program, and respected automotive industry reports rather than official Lexus production specifications. The 2028 Lexus RC Successor has the potential to become one of the most exciting luxury sports coupes Lexus has ever built. With expected race-inspired engineering, advanced hybrid performance, premium craftsmanship, cutting-edge technology, and aggressive styling, it could successfully carry the RC legacy into a new generation of electrified performance. For now, Lexus has officially ended the original RC, but its true successor is still waiting for its official world debut. Thanks for watching The Vehicle Era. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming cars, future vehicles, leaks, rumors, and the latest automotive news. I'll see you in the next video.